Welcome to Investing with Danielle. Let's look at the balance as of November the 2nd, 2023. We can see the balance is $5,018.84. You can see the chart right there. It shows from November the 2nd, 2022 to November the 2nd, 2023. This is an overall decrease in value of $1,189.67. The approximate cost basis, how much I have invested, is $6,207. I decided to show my math calculations. You can see the balance plus the decrease in value equals the amount invested, which is the cost basis. Now for some balance updates. On November the 3rd, 2023, the balance was $5,100.55. Balance as of November 16th, 2023, $5,337.64. Balance as of November 17th, 2023, $5,361.36. In this case, this is the 1-year return, and it is 27.56% compared to the S&P 500 index, which is 10.14%. I have 57% domestic stock, 5% foreign stock, 38% bonds. We're going to start off where the last episode ended, and I ended at C3AI. The C3AI platform supports the value chain in any industry with AI applications. On episode 27, I mentioned C3AI has partnerships with Microsoft, Alphabet, and Shell PLC. Here's one of the articles I shared on episode 27. This is the September 2022 article from Motley Fool, and the title is Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet have partnered with this AI stock. Is it a buy? Next, I have an article I found on Investopedia about C3AI, and the title is C3AI Shares Jump as Firm Expands Artificial Intelligence Collaboration with Amazon. Key takeaways. C3AI and Amazon expanded their strategic collaboration agreement to have C3AI provide Amazon Web Services. I appreciate some of my listeners may have limited time and financial resources. Here are possible mutual funds you may want to consider if you don't currently purchase individual stocks. And there are a lot of mutual funds. I'm going to consider 2 mutual funds on the Fidelity Investments platform. The prices are from October the 31st, 2023. We see FSSNX Fidelity Small Cap Index Fund It was priced at $20.69. That was October the 31st, 2023. I went to the mutual fund prospectus and located C3AI in the mutual fund holdings. Next, we're going to look at FSMAX. This is Fidelity Extended Market Index Fund. It's currently $64.25. This was as of October 31st, 2023. And again, no transaction fee. Investment minimum is 0. Expense ratio is also nominal, 0.04%. You can see that I located C3AI in the prospectus. U-Haul, which is down 14%, and Target, which is down 16%. So we can see they are both on the low end of the 52-week high and low. For Moderna, it's down 29%, and 3M is down 16%, and we can see that they are on the low end of the 52-week low and high. Discovery is down 23%, Chevron is down 15%, and you can see they are at the bottom of the 52-week high and low. Bank of America is down 11%, and we can also see that it is on the low end of the 52-week high and low. Now for a look at a stock currently on my Google Finance real estate watch list. The name of the company is Realty Income Corporation, and the stock symbol is O. Here's the price on November the 1st, 2023. I use information from Google Finance. The stock price as of November the 1st, 2023 was $47.38. Realty Income Corporation has an impressive dividend yield. This is from Google Finance. The annual dividend yield is 6.04%. Let's look at this right here. Does Realty Income pay monthly? Realty Income pays cash dividends monthly rather than quarterly. This is what really made me be interested in this company. According to Seeking Alpha, it's a well-managed REIT with strong fundamentals and a sustainable dividend and an attractive valuation. Here are my stock and mutual fund purchases for the month of November 2023. My purchase budget was $41. The dollar amounts include any associated fees. Bank of America, $2. C3AI, $2. Chevron, $2. Discover Financial Services, $2. 3M, $2. Moderna, $2. Target, $2. Realty Income Corporation, $10. U-Haul, $2. Fidelity Trend Fund, $2. Fidelity 500 Index Fund, $2. BlackRock, $11. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to click the all notification bell and consider joining me on Patreon.